Well guys, the saliva sample is there. 30 minutes after taking any food or drink or whatever requirement it is, even washing the mouth. Lot of saliva sample here. Here's the test chemical there inside. Here's the dropper, and I'm gonna attempt to do the test now. Let's open this fellow already. Keep it horizontal. The lateral flow test kit. Ooh, nice. Oh, here it goes. Yeah. That's what it's supposed to do. What else is inside? Oh, just the protector to keep it dry. Nothing else inside. So you're supposed to keep it flat. And this is where this is the, put it there. And then this place where you put the sample. Okay. So let's try it out. And hopefully this Sony doesn't go out of focus by itself. Silly camera. I got sunlight from the window. There you go. Keep the lights well. I got the lamp above. Right. Now, here it is. Here's a lot of saliva. And you're supposed to take a sample right up to the mark here. Yeah, right up to the mark there. So here goes. And you're not supposed to take any bubbles with it. Well, it didn't reach. Oh, actually it took a lot more. Okay, put it up to the level there, to the mark. We got a lot of saliva sample here. Oh, still a lot. Hey, there's a lot of bubble. Oh, that's no good. Come on. There's a lot of bubbles. Right, I got a good one this time. No bubbles. Right up to the mark here. Okay. The wind is blowing. Okay. Oh, well, it's a strong wind. And let's put it inside the mixing chamber. Right. Slowly does it. Put it inside. Ooh, that's good saliva. Digestive saliva. Yes, that's the correct amount of sample. What more do you want? And that's supposed to be thrown away. Biohazard. Well, there's nobody sick in this house. This is just for the hell of spending $8 worth of test kit. $8 Malaysian ringgit. Right. And you're supposed to shake it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be mixed well already. How are you doing? Well, Mr. Camera? Oh, well, you're going out of focus as usual. Right. It's there. I'll put it on top here. And what you're supposed to do next? Here's the instruction. Here's the instruction. Yeah. It says you're supposed to add 4 drops of the mixed sample into the well and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Right. Here goes. Open the top. And this is called lateral flow because it's going to flow laterally from left to right. So, is any drop coming out? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you're going to flow laterally. If you fail, you're useless. And there's still plenty of sample left. How are you doing, Mr. Camera? Now. Oh, there's a band coming in the C is already appearing. Okay. Can we have a close-up of that? This the color band is already appearing. Why are you not focusing? Well, the control C band is appearing. Not on the T. The band on this side, there, is the C. That's the C band. That fella. Well, where's the positive? Where's the T? The T is here. So, how long? 15 minutes. Wow. Exactly noon. I'll wait for you. Oops. I got it in the wrong place, guys. It's there. This fella. That's not wrong. This is the one. C and T. Sorry, guys. You can see that C and T. Yeah, well, so the C band is coming up. Not the T. Sorry. This one. I'm got mistaken with what the hell is this hole here? But the C is here, and the T is there. So I got a C line coming up. It's a control band. Go on, focus it. So it's clear. They see T. I didn't see that. But the other band is not coming up. Well, at the moment it's showing a negative test. Supposedly, having been boosted, vaccinated, I don't expect any positive. But let's see. Another 10 minutes. Oh, the C band is appearing very clear now. I don't know what was that supposed to do. It's not mentioned in the instruction. Very nice, very clear band. But There's nothing in the instruction leaflet to say what is that for. The result is coming here. Yeah. Made in China test kit. The instruction book does not say anything. What is that for? Well, I suppose it's just a place to store the sample that flow. This is lateral flow. It laterally flow from the well, pass the testing kit there, and maybe get stored in there. That's it. The instruction doesn't say anything about this, only that. So the C, control band, and the T, the test band. So there's no band appearing there. So it means no positive thing is detected. Wait another 9 minutes. Then it's confirmed. How do I take a handphone snap of that? It won't even focus. Oh, well, maybe I do that. Yeah, here's my handphone camera. Trying to take a picture of that. It's very clear when it's closed. Can you see, guys? That's it. And this fellow went out of focus. Here you go. Well, it's supposed to be 15 minutes. Now it's 10 minutes. I'm not going to wait any longer. It wastes the viewer's time, right? So according to this, the saliva test is negative. Two more minutes before I give up. Well, that's it. It's nothing new is gonna happen. That's all, folks.